up? We're over at my brother's house today, and he's gonna be installing a new horn on his Harley Davidson Road King. So, hey, let's get at it. We're in the garage here. We're gonna be working on it. Hey guys, what's going on? We're gonna be installing a Kuryakyn Wolo bad boy air horn kit on a 2012 Harley Davidson. This should fit on any Harley Davidson 93 and up that has the cowbell horns. So if you guys are interested, come along. We're gonna go start this process. Now, hey, before we start the process, I'll give you guys a pan scan of the bike. I know you guys don't want a pan scan of the bike. It's a good old before and after.
Well, first things first, anytime you're going to do anything on your motorcycle, you got to start with the 3 beer first process. Jake's a little sad because he's on a diet. He can't be drinking right now.
All right, get the unboxing process of this here. Hardest part of this process is getting the box open. All right, it's got everything but the horn in it, right? Nope, there it is.
Cover. Here's the air horn. There's our tool, wiring harness, bracket. Hold in there. Alcohol wipe, so you can put the cover on.
That's for coronavirus. Got to be sanitized.
Directions. Warning, do not drink beer. Oh, fuck it.
Yeah, well, we fucked that up already. Then we'll get some beforehand audio of this. Go ahead and give her a beep. Pretty damn loud.
So we already established your 3 beer process. Second thing you want to do is make sure it's safety glasses. You want to take those fuckers right off, throw them in the garbage. You ain't gonna need those.
Alright, the first thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to pop this saddlebag off. There's pins in there, you're going to twist them, pop them, and it'll come right off. And then that back seat back there, you're going to have to pull that off as well to get to the battery. So you need a Phillips screwdriver for that. It's a nice and simple process. That's what we're doing right here. Alright, your next step is you're going to have to pull the cover off the battery here to get to the battery, and that's what we're doing now. Alright, now you're going to bolt the mounting bracket to the horn so that it can be secured onto the motorcycle. Next thing you got to do is secure your cap onto the bolt that bolted to the mounting bracket. Alright, now it's time to take the stock cowbell horn off. You're going to have 2 plugs here in the back of this stock horn that you're going to have to pull out. Alright, let's install the relay that came with the kit onto the wiring harness. Now it's time to connect your wiring harness to the battery power supply. Now it's time to secure your battery cover down and put everything back the way it was. Now feed your wiring harness to the bottom of your frame, making sure it doesn't touch any of the hot spots on the motor. Connect the yellow wire on the wiring harness to the yellow wire on the stock harness. Connect the white wire to the positive terminal on the horn, and then connect the black wire from your stock harness onto the horn. Mount the horn to the bike and then bolt it back on with the stock bolt. Secure the new wiring harness out of the way with zip ties so that they're away from the motor and heat. Alright, he's taking out his alcohol pad. You're going to wipe off the top of this so that the self-adhesive tape on the cover here, pull that off and it sticks right on there. Just stick it right on. Alright, that completes the install. Now you just put your bike back together and get on it and ride and have some fun. Alright, first official test here. Alright guys, if you like this content, make sure you subscribe. I got some other channels on here that we're part of. Make sure you subscribe to those too if you like that content. You guys have a good day and make sure that you come back and enjoy some more of these videos. We got plenty more coming, especially once the coronavirus clears up. That means we can get out, we can ride. You guys have a good day.